everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great, right? Today I'll share a Rakhi makeup tutorial and I'll not talk more, I'll start it. But before this, you please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell sign just next to it. Also, you can share my videos with all of your friends. Now, let's start it. After cleaning, toning and moisturizing, I have applied only primer and now I'll apply foundation with a few drops of face oil. Now I'll set it with this wet beauty blender. Now I'll set my brows. Now I'll apply concealer to hide my dark circle and some discoloration on my face. Again, I'll set it with this white beauty blender. Now I'll apply eyeshadow. I'll take this color. All the colors of this palette are little shimmery. Now I'll take this color. Now I'm taking this color. And from this palette, I'll take this color. Now I'll blend it with this fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this color and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'll apply eyeliner. Now I'll apply kajal. Now I'll apply mascara. As always, I forgot to use this eyelash curler. Now I'll apply powder. Now I'll contour. Now I'll apply blush from this palette. Here I'll take this color. This color slightly on my brow bone. And on my inner corner of my eyes. And now I'll apply highlighter from this palette. Now I'll apply lipstick. Recently I have purchased it from probably Nykaa or Amazon. I cannot remember properly. Amazing color. I'll mention all the products name on the screen or maybe the description box. From there you can check. And this is my final look. I just hoping you would like this video. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe. Also you can comment me in the comment section. I'll definitely reply you back. I'll come with a new video. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Love you all. Bye bye. Bye.